Zeus. They say using Docker I can build dashboards, deploy a customer web portal, start and query sample databases, and so much more.
Yes, Leo, all of it. Install Docker, it's quick, and a whole shelf of extra apps and databases opens up, each ready to start with a click.
Extra apps, you said. But isn't DataPallas the application? What other apps would I even need?
Indeed. DataPallas itself is the core app you already set up. On its own, it handles report generation. Think Crystal Reports or SSRS. And it goes further, with automation workflows on top. But there's more. DataPallas is a full BI and data platform. Beyond reports, you can build dashboards, run a customer web portal, even schedule back-end ETL jobs that feed your own data warehouse.
Each its own app. And do they all come from you?
2 families, Leo. Our own apps built and supported by us. Plus a few hand-picked open-source third-party apps that work well with DataPallas. Enough talking, Leo. Let me show you. This is where it all starts. Your hub for exploring data and finding the apps that go well together with DataPallas. And here's everything in one place. Ready to run apps, sample databases, and Docker. But before you can run any of them, you'll need Docker. And DataPallas makes installing it easy. Just click Install Now, and DataPallas makes installing Docker easy. Then wait for it to finish. With one click, your dashboard studio spins up, ready to use. And it helps you build dashboards like this. Think Tableau, with KPI cards, charts, and pivots, all on your own data. And dashboards are only part of the story, Leo. DataPallas also ships a ready-made customer portal for sending invoices, payslips, bills, and statements straight to your customers. The customer portal is one of our own apps. You start it with a single click, just like the others. Once it's running, you open it in the browser to see the live site. And here it is. A clean portal where your customers sign in and find their documents, with an admin area a click away.
It looks sharp. But can I make it ours? Our own document types? Our branding?
Completely. You define the document types. Invoices, payslips, bills, student records, anything, and brand the whole interface to match your company. The admin area is your back office. Track every document, paid or overdue, and brand the whole portal with a theme.
And the documents themselves. Does DataPallas put them there, or do I create each one by hand?
By default, DataPallas pushes them all automatically. Thousands, even tens of thousands, on a schedule. Need a one-off? An admin can add an ad hoc document by hand, and it follows the same flow. That's our own apps, Leo. Now, the other family, the hand-picked open-source companions we curate. Let me show you a few. DataPallas also curates a handful of open-source companions. Rundeck to schedule jobs, Matomo for web analytics, Docuseal for document signing, and Metabase for extra dashboards. One of them is CloudBeaver, a database manager, like SQL Server Management Studio or Oracle SQL Developer, but it works for every database server. And speaking of CloudBeaver, let me share one more little secret, Leo. Those databases it browses, DataPallas hands them to you ready-made as database starter packs.
Database starter packs? What are those?
Pre-configured database servers. Every major engine, SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, Postgres, IBM Db2, ClickHouse, and more. One click starts any of them, already filled with the well-known Northwind sample business data. With one click, a complete Northwind database boots up and runs right on your own machine. Then you tell DataPallas about it with a new database connection and test it. It connects and reads the schema for you. Every table discovered, ready to explore and chart.
Okay, but how would these apps and database starter packs actually help me?
Let's start with the third-party apps, Leo. Sooner or later, you'll need digital document signing. So instead of building it from scratch, you start Docuseal, tweak it, and you're done. Automating BI workflows? Soon you'll have back-end jobs to schedule or trigger by hand. Wouldn't you want one clean, authenticated page to manage them all? Rundeck is exactly that.
So instead of coding each piece, I just start the right app?
Exactly. And when you're sending thousands of documents through the portal, you'll want web analytics. Who opened what and when? Matomo is the perfect fit. Compose ready-made apps. Build only what's yours.
And those database starter packs, where do those fit in?
The database starter packs are perfect for learning all things data, Leo. Pre-filled with real Northwind business data. And what better way to master SQL than on the real thing? And second, quickly prototyping and iterating. On those same database servers, it's easy to shape your own schema and data into a foundation for any data solution you can imagine.
Like our own custom CRM, with reports and dashboards on top.
Exactly. Prototype it before your boss has even fully spelled out what he needs. Show him the working prototype, then refine it together from there.
Any database, any app, on my own laptop. My schema, my workflows, and it's all mine. Now that's cool.
All of it, Leo. Dashboards, a customer portal, any database you like. Running on your own machine minutes after downloading. Now go and build, Leo. DataPallas makes it remarkably easy to prototype any data solution on your laptop. Then deploy it on your own servers when you're ready.